I'll be like, hey, let's get the reaction, let's go. But babe, I just set up the feature presentation tree, so we was gonna go ahead and get to let's go! Okay, so we're just gonna get right into the reaction, y'all. I forgot to set it up. We're actually preparing to go out of town, so we're trying to get in as many.
Hello everybody. I'm vlogging late, but that's alright. Just like a man. There goes Sergeant address. We just been chilling, y'all. There's the furniture. Storage clothes. This is a box, like for storage. Scared y'all. Scared y'all. There's the children. Hanging off in the cut. Masha and the bear. Wait and got beans and Tinklady and Tink some more outfits. I'll show y'all that later when it's light outside. So right now I'm washing my work clothes because I gotta go to work tomorrow. Show y'all our little patio. How it's coming together. It's raining outside, y'all. It's dark right now. Y'all can't hardly see me, but it's a dark blue. This is how I did the patio. We got another rug, got pillows and pillow cushions, and a long couch, which you can customize it to put it any way you want to. You can't look charged in these goddamn ashtrays. It came from Amazon. We got a new trash can over there, and the glass was broke in it. The tempered glass that goes on top of the table right there, because it's got the ottomans is up under there. Let me show y'all. It's a 8-piece outdoor set. The ottomans slide out, and you can put the cushions on there and be more seating. Or you can use it as a regular ottoman and put your feet up. I still didn't get to get my plants for that. I had the kids, yeah, it was too much. But we got a seat area right there. Seat area right there. We got 3 chairs out there on the porch. That porch, you know, the kids' little thing. And then our Sarge did this. Men are nasty. They just don't give a fuck. They don't care like we care. And some women is trifling. Yeah!
Hold on. Your dad wants you. Don't you?
Yeah, that was my daddy. On the phone. Talking about his baby. Some things have transpired that I'm not at liberty to share because it's not my business to share. I mean, it is, but it ain't. It's nothing that's happened to me. Go on, Gracie. Shit. But yeah, my sister need to have her ass in the house. Want to get some motherfucking hamburgers and shit. Sit, lay your ass down. Get your ass off my motherfucking couch. Get down. Get down. Yeah. This cat crazy. But yeah, I ain't want nothing but to show y'all a little patio set. 8-piece. I got this from Amazon, but it was inspired by a YouTuber that thrifts. She redid her patio, and I used the link down so I could find it, and I chose the color I wanted. So I thought it was A-OK. So we did it. And that's it, that's all. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. I'm gonna call my sister. And just so y'all know, we have a cat. I don't let my cat lay on my bed, couch, jump up on the counter, stove, refrigerator, anything higher than the floor. No, we don't do that bullshit. Bitch can't be just in my kitchen and shit while I'm cooking. She can't get up here. She can't sit up there. She can't sit on those. No, she got her little bed right over there in that little corner. That's her bed. Or she can sit on the floor. She can walk on the floor. She can walk on these ledges. But as far as anything, no. I better not come home and find her anywhere on anything. This is why I gotta keep my house disinfected with bleach and all type of shit, because we don't play that shit. I will chase that motherfucker. I love Gracie, but no. We ain't that type of people. We those black people. And she's an inside cat. She don't go outside. This is the most outside she gonna be. You ain't got no time. You don't need that. Let it build up. Him love his paw. And he's up.
This burger looked at one slice of melted cheese and said, more cheese. It looked at pickles and said, also onions. It wanted to be more than hot. It wanted to be juicy.
The hell if I don't
This
bring
is the pork with cheese.
She digging bushes and shit. Don't be digging no.
No, you have to. In the store, you gotta be.
Tink acting bad.
Be quiet. You're not getting out of the car.
I said shut up.
Is that Tink crying?
Yes.
That you? That was you? Yeah.
We're not getting no slime. We're not,
And Cameron?
we're not slimy, okay? You left the school bus?
Which one you want? This one or this one?
Call myself coming to the store early with one of the grandbabies, bonding, spending time. I'm talking about we wasn't even in the car 5 minutes. I'm stuck here at the store because this baby want to go to sleep. I'm talking about full-on snoring. And then it's raining. At the Walmart. Stuck in the car because of her. Now, you know if you wake up a baby early from their nap, they're going to be cranky, angry, irritable, fidgety. She's dreaming good dreams. She got 10 more minutes. What's wrong with you? Girl, no, you better not start that bull crap. What's your name? What's your name? Demaria. What is your name? Come on. It done got hot. It wasn't even this hot earlier. Hold on, girl. See, you're not looking. Don't bop your head. Look at these badasses. Bad as shit. This one too. Ain't you?
There's one.
Mart. Ain't you? You don't like the sun? Because you a vampire? Your daddy made you one.
Yeah, I'm buying it. Yeah, I bought it.
I scared you? What's your name? Your name Mari? Demaria? Yep. Say yeah, girl, that's me, girl. Look at this fool. She can't be still, y'all. See? Don't do that no more. Sit down, Kanie. We gotta pay for it first. That's your marshmallow? Sit. I gotta move. I told you when it moves, you can fall and hurt yourself. That's the before.